Hi guys, today I will show you how to remove radio antenna in Scion TC. It's very simple. All you have to do is unscrew it counterclockwise like this, and the antenna will come out. I'll show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks on the vehicle. This may be important in case if you accidentally damage it and it doesn't work properly, or if you want to get an aftermarket part. They have shorter versions which you can buy online. I will try to leave you guys the link for those ones as well, but overall it's very straightforward process. Simply screw it back on and it's ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.